first went to SVSU in '81, and after I graduated from high school, and then I got my undergrad in '85. But then after I was working here at Sure in Pigeon, decided to go for my master's in health leadership and received that in 2014. I had a great time when I was at SVSU. I drove back and forth from Augrey to Saginaw Valley for 4 years. I was involved with things with the band, got to know a lot of people there, but then once you were done, there was a disconnect. If I was feeling that, there was definitely many others that were in the same boat. Part of the organization here at Sure, we really encourage people to be involved in the community. And so when my boys got done with their sports and with the scouts and everything, I was like, I have a certain amount of time that I want to spend working with the community, working with other people or whatever. And it's like, what am I going to take that time to do? Well, I can go look at my alma mater and say, how can I help Saginaw Valley? Eric Gilbertson was retiring, and Don Bashan was coming in. At that point, we were underneath the foundation, and so we spent a lot of time helping with fundraising. The only problem we ran into was that we didn't have a great connection with those alumni. So from those calls, I'd get people saying, SVSU hasn't contacted me for 20 years, and now you're calling and asking for money. Before I decided to participate with SVSU, I didn't have a great connection either. I think that the Alumni Association's missing the boat. We're in the wrong spot. We shouldn't be underneath the foundation. We need to be out on our own. We need to have better connectivity and more relationship with our alumni. You know, you don't get anything if you don't ask. I thought it was a little forward on it, but I thought it was the best thing for the Alumni Association at that point. If you're going to be involved with something, you need to go all the way. You can't just go part-time. And so that's what's always kind of pushed me to get to where I've gotten.